In this video, I'm going to share with you one of the easiest online business opportunities that you can start today. Now, one of the cool things about this opportunity is it pays on a recurring monthly basis. So you could just keep on stacking up your income, and every month it can just get bigger and bigger. And did I forget to tell you, it's easy. All right, so it's this app out there called Instant Recall. All right, now Instant Recall is an app that allows you to make money from selling your data. Now you might be thinking, selling my data? I ain't doing that. That's crazy. That's my privacy. Ain't gonna happen. Well, you need to understand that your data is already out there, right? Companies like Facebook, Google, TikTok, they all are tracking your location as long as you're using their apps on your phone. The only thing is right now, you're just not getting paid from it. Instant Recall actually allows you to profit from sharing your data, unlike all of these other companies who are just doing it anyway. So everything you need to know about Instant Recall and how to get started with Instant Recall can be found by clicking on the first link in the description of this video. But in this video, I really want to make sure people start making money with this opportunity. So once you actually get set up, once you click on the link in the description and you get all set up, first thing you need to do is take action. Because this opportunity is so easy to share, like you can start earning money today. We'll start building up your account today just by referring people you know. Because once you join Instant Recall, once you have the app on your phone, you will actually be able to send out requests to like people that's already in your phone. So you might be thinking, man, I don't want to bother nobody with that, blah, blah, blah. Listen, you're basically offering people an online business opportunity where they can make money from doing the same thing you're doing. And it's one of them opportunities where it's like, you can feel good about offering it, because if they say no, like what are they saying no to, right? They're saying no to an opportunity to make money. That's it. So you can instantly start by sharing this opportunity with people like in your phone book that you cool with, that you already know. Now it doesn't have to just stop with your phone book, right? You want to get this in front of as many people as possible. The next place I would go to is like your Facebook page. Think about the people that you just casually talk to, you cool with on Facebook. Shoot them a message and let them know like, hey, this cool opportunity. Hey, you can start making a monthly income just by selling your data and referring it to other people, referring this opportunity to other people, because the opportunity actually, it sells itself, right? All you need to do is put this opportunity in front of people, just like I'm doing it to you right now. So doing these first two methods, right, with reaching out to people you already know that you talk to about this opportunity, you should be able to easily have, 10 to 20 signups already. And that's going to instantly start earning you commissions, right? Now, the next step to actually start earning real money from the Instant Recall opportunity is to figure out a marketing plan, right? Because the earning potential of Instant Recall is crazy. As simple as this is, it can change your whole life financially. If you are one of the people that's like, this is easy to promote, I could promote this all day, every day, I'm trying to get this money. So you need to figure out what platform or platforms that you most feel comfortable on, that you are active on, and you want to figure out how to put this offer in front of people, whether it be messaging people, whether it be, making posts about it. If it's YouTube, make short videos about this opportunity. Now it is so damn easy to promote stuff because of this whole shorts craze, right? You got TikTok, you got Facebook Reels, you got Instagram Reels, and you got YouTube Shorts. So literally, you can do a 10-second video about Instant Recall, the opportunity, how people can start making money. You can do that, and you can start generating signups to your Instant Recall business. So all you're doing is putting this opportunity in front of people because it speaks for itself. And once you click on the link in the description and you get all signed up, you're going to be able to reach out to me via Facebook. This is where you can reach out to me. But listen, Listen carefully. If you want to reach out to me on Facebook, you got to do two things. Send me a friend request, and then secondly, send me a private message letting me know that you just joined Instant Recall. This is very crucial because, I get friend requests all the time. Some people are business related. Some people are just weirdos, right? So, send me friend requests and a message that will help you get started, set up with Instant Recall, help you with marketing, anything you need help with. I'm gonna help you out. So look, this is one of them opportunities that a lot of people are gonna see, and they're gonna be like, this is what I've been looking for. This is what I've been looking for. It's easy and it got crazy earning potential. I'm all in. So if you're one of them people, click the link in the description and I'll talk to you soon. Now let's get this money.